Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your device's keyboard. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, tap on Additional Settings. Select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then click on Theme section, scroll down and tap on those little dots to see all available themes. Then tap on the best one for you, in my case this one. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And save your new theme by tapping on Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, access exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!